Yan, ako ba na, bisan dili na nakalakaw. Sige, pag yun na siya. Kaligid na siya manahimik. Yan. Yeah, that smell good. Sabi mo, bisan sakit na siya. Matulong pa talaga yan. Ha, sweetheart. Even daddy's not feeling well, they always help me. Amazing! The
boy.
You is my sweetheart.
What are you talking to on the phone?
Video. Hold on, I want to look the
Keep looking.
bed cover. I keep looking. Okay. Mommy is a winter, Daddy is a looster. Out.
Daddy is the winter.
That's cheating.
That's bullshit I just
Ay, wait. Ay. Wait, where's Dad?
The winter.
Yan. Oh,
What was that?
you cut.
Where?
I don't know. What in your back? Don't dog first. I just changed the bed.
What did you change it to? I don't know. Inquiring minds want to know.
And hindi yan siya mapakali. Oh! I'm not done yet!
So sorry. Oh, you done now?
No.
Oh, that's a long pull. I want to show up. Is that a show? See, it's easy to hit the top and run away.
Kasi, maya-maya lang kami mag-change ng bed. Palibhasa naman kasi, kahit sabihin mong wag dalhin yung aso niya, pagtalikod ko, andyan na naman yung aso. Kaya ngayon, yun, change na naman. Ha, Dad? Mi. Okay, yan. Yan, ganyan yan. Kahit, ano yan. Hirap na, ha? Polo blanket.
Not that much.
Kahit hirap na yan.
She jumped.
O, tingnan mo.
Oh, there, it's what spying.
Ay, sa lubot niya. Ano yan? Kanina naligo ako kahit ano. Naligo ako kanina. Ano daw sa saro? Ako sa toilet. Yun. May kalat ako doon.
It was.
Nilabas na naman.
They told them eat your bra.
Jen! Haha! Nakabili ka ng ano, no? Look at this